Ashvatthasana. This asana holds greater significance for women as it has a specific impact on their reproductive organs. Procedure to do. Stand with your heels together. Extend your right leg and right arm backward as far as possible, keeping your feet on the ground, and the arm should be alongside the body. While inhaling, raise the left arm from the front, keeping it close to the ear and stretching it upward, with the palm facing forward. Initially, straighten your body by lifting the heel of the right foot. Then, while inhaling, lift the right leg and right arm, ensuring the arm remains parallel to the ground, with the palm facing down. Maintain normal breathing. Repeat the same sequence with the other leg. Advantage. Regular practice of this asana enhances blood circulation and ensures proper breathing. It contributes to reducing the fear of labor pain. Additionally, it has a positive effect on the spine, making it beneficial for alleviating lower back pain.